Isn't it sad that we know that even after watching this video, we'll have to go through the same exact stuff no matter what happens? Every student, no matter how intelligent he or she is, has cried once in his or her lifetime because of exams. I want you parents to give your child the most expensive mobile there is out there. No, go ahead, give him. I am not against exams. Exams are good, but I am against the mentality that scoring good in exams means becoming successful in life. So before I move ahead with the video, I'd like to say a few things about myself. I scored 91.2% in 10th standard. I selected commerce. Right now I am in one of the Mumbai's topmost colleges. I plan to do business administration. This was necessary to say because just so that you know that I am not just any random guy pointing out faults. To explain it to you better, consider this. Would you take an opinion about how to lose weight from a fat guy? No, you won't. It's the same year. I have seen stuff, I have seen my friends, I have seen other people going through the exact same stuff. I have observed things. And this video is just me explaining to you my observations and maybe bring some change, if not much, in your minds. I request you all to watch this video till the very end because this video will make you think, will make you reflect about stuff which you haven't till now. So let me start right from the preschool. Preschool was a good time. I mean, thinking about it right now makes me smile. So everyone was happy during preschool. You were excited to learn new things. You were excited to make new friends. You were excited to go to the school. And then time passed by. You are in grade 3, you are in grade 5, you are in grade 7. And then suddenly during that period, it's not fun anymore. You're not happy anymore. The fear of exam starts kicking in. The pressure of scoring better than others starts kicking in. And that's when school isn't fun anymore. It's supposed to be fun, but it isn't. There's no excitement to learn new things. You aren't happy anymore. Remember all those extra classes which you had joined? Be it dance, singing, football, cricket, drawing, and whatnot. They just stopped. Why? Because you needed to study for exams. Isn't that really very sad? Just because you had to study for an exam, you stopped everything. You loved doing all of that. But just because you had to appear for a paper, you stopped everything. And that's not the only thing that happens. Students give their paper, results are out. Some score good, some don't. And then suddenly there's this grouping that happens. There's always this group of students who always score more than 90, always get A grades. And then there's this group of students who can't score that good. And then people, and not even everyone around them, starts judging them based on their marks. They decide whether this child will be successful or not 15 years down the line based on some random paper they gave. Exams are good. I'm telling you again, exams are good, but the fact that people think that scoring good in exams will make you successful in life isn't. But then students believe this. I don't know how this started, how this entire mentality of scoring good in exams will make you successful in life started. But that's the shittiest thing to even think of. How can you say that remembering things and putting them down on a paper will make you successful in life? That's just having a good memory. So I'm going to be talking about the Indian education system in this video. I have saved that for another video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that video will be coming very soon. Let's talk about exam stress. I'm very sure each student who is watching this has been depressed or has cried because of the exams, because of the entire atmosphere that is created during the exam. Be it preparing for the exams, because not being able to score as good as others. And there have been various cases of student suicides just because of the fear of exams. That is so sad. We need to understand why this happens, why this stress, why this fear is created. So it's because some students are able to score good, some can't. And we all need to accept this fact that not every student is the same. Some might score good, some won't, and that's okay. To all the parents who are watching this message is for you. I want you all to buy the most expensive mobile there is out there for your child. No, I'm serious. Go ahead, buy it. Why should I? That's what you must be thinking, right? Maybe because I have seen other parents buy it for their child. Isn't that a pretty reasonable argument? You can't. Maybe because your income isn't as much as theirs. Maybe your purchasing power isn't as much as theirs. But isn't this the same thing which you do to your children? Not every child can remember things, and not every child can score good. Children are different. Some may be good at singing, some may be good at sports, some may be good at dance. What you need to do is identify that particular skill which your child is good at and encourage them to pursue that. I'm very sure if they love doing that, they will excel at that. You just need to stop this stupid mentality of scoring good in exams. This needs to be stopped. Do you know there's one thing common between studying football, cricket, dancing, singing? There's one thing common, and that is none of these things are easy. Everything requires discipline. Every activity has its own set of rules. But you know why people enjoy doing those other things? It's because they love doing those things. It's because they are happy while they are doing it. For example, I love bodybuilding as a sport. It's not easy to keep consistent with your diets. It's not easy to work out. It's not easy to get up at 6 every day and go for a jog. It's not easy. But what makes me keep going is because I'm happy doing that. I am happy to take all this extra effort. I'm happy to take all this pain because I know in the end I'll get where I want to, and that will make me happy. It's the same for all other things. So if you don't like doing that particular thing, no matter how much you force yourself, how much you push the other person, he or she will not excel at that, and you need to understand this. So I'm very sure every one of us has heard stuff like अभी पढ़ाई कर ले, अभी मेहनत कर ले, ये सब चीज़ें तो बाद में भी होती रहेगी. But answer honestly, how many of you have seen your parents doing stuff which they used to enjoy during their childhood? I guess hardly any. So how do you expect me or expect us to believe that we'll get to do all this stuff when we grow older? I don't believe any of this. So to sum up the entire video, first of all, I'm not against anyone. This was me just sharing my opinions and letting you all know the things which I've observed throughout my 12-13 years of student life. Secondly, I want you all to do things which you have always enjoyed doing, which you love doing, because there's no guarantee what will happen tomorrow. Instead, spend your today doing things which you love. Also, exams and studies are important. They are very important. But giving them too much importance and thinking that your entire life depends on it is not right, because it doesn't. There are many more aspects to life, to having a successful life, than just scoring good in an exam. I guess lockdown was a big blessing for all of us. We got to do those things which we have always wanted to do. We got to explore that unexplored version of ours, and frankly speaking, I just love it. I mean, people are opening their own little mini bakeries, people are uploading dance videos, people are singing, people are cooking. There was no need for a global pandemic to make us realize that we need to keep doing stuff which we enjoy. This is something which we need to understand on our own. So if there are any parents or any teachers watching this, I request you all to not pressurize children to score good marks in the exams, because I'm very sure you won't even remember the last time you checked your mark sheets. You know marks don't matter. So don't stress your child about something which won't even matter 15 years down the line. That's it for today's videos. I genuinely hope you all like it. I've always wanted to make my own YouTube page. I was thinking of making one since the last 2 years, but it never worked out. I was planning to start with showing some of my writings or probably a workout video, but I'm glad I chose this topic to start with, because this is such a topic which everyone can relate to. It's a topic which needs to be discussed. So don't forget to share it with your family, your friends, your relatives and your teachers and everyone. Leave a thumbs up below, comment below what you think of this video and this topic in general. I've always wanted to say this, so like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with a video on Indian education system very soon. I hope you all are safe and love you guys. Thank you.